Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Harvesting resources and gathering supplies are essential in one's human. Without enough supplies, it's easy to get overwhelmed by enemies. That's where the solar auto drill comes in a tool that can make your resource gathering much easier. Now you might be wondering how to unlock this drill. And here's the thing, it's part of the specialization tree, but you won't get it right away. To get the solar auto drill, you need to progress through the game until you reach level 35. This is crucial because the solar drill only appears on the mimetics page of the specialization tree after you hit that level. So if you're not there yet, keep leveling up your character through side quests and the main story. Once you have unlocked the thematic, head to your intermediate supplies workbench. You'll need 40 tungsten ingots to the craft to the solar auto drill, and don't worry, it will only take about a minute to complete. After that, you can start using it on ore deposits, which will help you gather more resources like copper, tin, iron, aluminum, and tungsten. The best part, the solar auto drill charges itself on sunny days, boosting your resource yield by 25%. But remember, if it's cloudy, you'll need to wait for the sun to charge it again. So plan your mining sessions accordingly. So if you're looking to streamline your resource gathering in one human, leveling up to unlock the solar auto drill is a must. Keep processing, craft your drill, and you'll soon be mining more effectively than ever. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell for more tips and tricks in Once Human. Thank you for watching.